Have you ever faced the challenge of severely damaged window putty? Don't worry, here's a straightforward guide to restoring it effectively. Remove any loose putty using a scraping knife, a Stanley knife, or another appropriate tool. Use a scraper to remove any old paint residue. Use an electric sander or sand by hand with 80 grit sandpaper to smooth all corners. Brush the dust off. Mix wood filler. For instructions on mixing wood filler, watch video number 3 on my channel or check the link in the description. Use the filler knives to apply the wood filler as demonstrated. Then, apply the BP strip as shown. For flattening wood filler, I use a ruler that I cut with aviation snips to adapt size of the window glass, making it about an inch shorter than the area to be flattened. Alternatively, you can use a filler knife or a jointing knife. Press the wood filler in firmly to push extra wood filler and any air out. Let the filler partially dry. Try to touch it with your finger if it is not sticky, but still flexible like you can see in the demonstration. Then you can remove the BP strip. Then remove any extra filler from the glass and surrounding areas, just to make sanding a bit easier later. Let the filler dry fully for another 10 to 15 minutes before continue to fill rest of the glass. Then repeat the entire process again. Now you need to sand it down and do the fine filling.